Hi guys, I'm Taro. Konnichiwa, Taro です。So today's video is not for surfing. So today's video is what you should eat in Hong Kong. I think a lot of guidebook and also website recommend you to eat yamcha. Of course, yamcha is super traditional and also famous food in Hong Kong. But if you want to try more local and tasty one, I fully recommend to eat sandwiches. That is Hong Kong style. For me, I was not willing to eat sandwiches for lunch or breakfast, but after I knew these sandwiches, I'm willing to eat. So that is egg and beef sandwiches. So for the video, I will recommend to visit. So that is two shops and also how to make the tasty sandwiches Hong Kong style. Okay, let's do it. So first shop is Sham Shui Po. Sham Shui Po is famous for electrics market. So if you want to visit electric market, you should visit the sandwich shop as well. Go out from exit C2, you just need to go straight the street. Then you will find a shop on your left hand side. So this is the shop, the name is Sang Han Yun. So when you go around lunchtime, there's a long queue, so it's maybe better to go breakfast time. The shop looks typical Cha-Chan-Ten style. There's no English sign and also no English menu, but don't worry about it, staff can understand English. So these three characters stand for sandwiches, but even though you cannot read Cantonese, it's okay because you just only need to say beef and egg sandwiches. Then staff will serve you juicy corned beef sandwiches. This shop one is using chunk of beef and also egg is well pan fried, so you can enjoy juicy sandwiches taste. Another shop is in Wan Chai in Hong Kong Island, 5 minutes from the station. Then this shop is my best one. The shop name is Chong Gong Gay. This shop also traditional Cha-Chan-Ten. And even in the morning or lunchtime, a lot of local enjoy eating noodles, sandwiches, and also drinks. This shop sandwiches corned beef and egg sandwiches. Egg has a lot of layers, so when you eat this one, you can feel super tender texture. How was it? Yes, it is super simple egg and beef sandwiches. It looks boring, but it's classic and also it's super tasty. If you try it, you will know. So for the video, I will show you how to make the egg and corned beef sandwiches. So let's do it. So you need to prepare 2 eggs and also salt and black pepper. If you want to eat more local taste, please use MSG and corned beef. And last one is 2 slices of bread.